In 1957, the Soviet Union launches Sputnik 1, marking the beginning of space-age exploration. The satellite was visible from all around the Earth. Anyone with a shortwave receiver could hear it as it orbited above. The world was captivated by this historical event. More importantly, it enabled amazing new political, military, technological, and scientific developments. In our world today, this space frontier has become an important part of daily life. Television signals, phone communication, navigation, weather and climate monitoring, and so much more is possible thanks to satellites. Our vantage point from space lets us understand how vulnerable our planet really is. Consider again that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. There is perhaps no better demonstration of the folly of human conceits than this distant image of our tiny world. To me, it underscores our responsibility to deal more kindly with one another and to preserve and cherish the pale blue dot. The only home we've ever known. Carl Sagan.
The world is growing ever more interdependent and interconnected. From navigation and communication to information drawn from remote sensing, space-based technology has become one of the cornerstones of our modern society. Cutting-edge techniques such as satellite technology and space applications are indispensable as the world strives towards 2030 and beyond.
The adoption of the 2030 agendas on Sendai on disaster risk reduction, in New York on sustainable development, and in Paris on climate change demonstrate a growing recognition that these ambitious targets require stronger space governance to protect our environment. The 2030 Agenda presents a perfect opportunity to see space technology as an important tool in our development toolkit.
Greetings to the United Nations General Assembly from the International Space Station. I'm astronaut Scott Kelly. Below me is planet Earth, our spaceship flying through the universe. And when I look out at Earth, what I'm struck by is not only its beauty, but how fragile our atmosphere looks.
DigitalGlobe and UN-USA, the Office of Outer Space Affairs, have partnered to exchange information and raise awareness on space-based activities for the changing planet. We want to emphasize these use cases and discuss strategies that link space-based exploration as a driving force for socio-economic development. And we want to leverage the cutting-edge space technologies to collaboratively address various global challenges, from global warming to the UN SDGs. And partnering together, we want to show that the sky is not the limit.
Information obtained from remote sensing provides essential information for decision-making in disaster management and emergency response, agriculture, environmental sustainability, urban planning, land tenure, and much more. After the Nepal earthquake of 2015, we used satellite imagery, enabling a better, faster response. We identified areas of major destruction, allocated much-needed resources, and saved lives. In Indonesia, fires on palm oil plantations produce a toxic smoke that poses a serious threat to the environment and human health. Shortwave infrared imagery has been helping pinpoint forest fires and deploy response teams in near real time. Satellite imagery allows us to map the most rural and remote areas of our world so we can reach every child with life-saving vaccines, whether in a fishing village in Somalia or the hillside of Farah, Afghanistan. He or she can have access to critical health services. To understand what is happening and employ efficient countermeasures, we need to embrace the data revolution for international development. Together, DigitalGlobe and the United Nations are putting space to work for our development agenda. We are developing an online platform which will provide easy access to imagery catalogs and data, and analytical services tailored for the needs of the United Nations.
It is the whole set of space applications, from communication and navigation to remote sensing and data collection, which offers us these matchless tools and problem-solving techniques which are crucial in the implementation of the SDGs. The collaboration between UN-USA and DigitalGlobe is, in the international arena, at the forefront in the use of space technology to address the challenges of today and tomorrow.
Space technology affords a chance to better understand our ever-changing planet. We can work together to make it sustainable for centuries to come.